Hello everyone, welcome to our channel IAC Steno. I am Ms. Janvi, your shorthand instructor, and today we are starting with the next video of first place vowel. Before this we have covered the second place vowel topic. I hope you have seen that video, and today we are starting with this new one. So basically first place vowels are of four types. Okay, there are four sounds that comes in the first place vowel. And the main characteristic of this is that it is above line. Okay, you have to make this vowel above line. So I would be starting now. So just see. The first sound that is coming is of short A. Short A. It's represented by a light dot. Light dot. Okay. So the words having the spelling of A, like short A, for example, I'm telling you the sounds, it's giving you three sounds. The first sound is of A, for example, I'm writing this in Hindi, A, and A. These are three sounds that would be coming with the A. If you are hearing any of these sounds like path, pa, a, th, this A sound, that means it's a first place vowel and it's represented by a light dot. Similarly, one more word like attack, attack. So a sound is coming. This is it. So you just have to place a light dot for that. Okay. And similarly, a like at, bat, sat, a sound. So you have to place a light dot. Same thing. If any of the sound is coming like a, and a, you just have to place a light dot for it. Okay. In case there are two sounds, a is also there, a is also there. In that case, you have to put two vowels for that. Okay. I'm starting with the first example. Like the first word is at. Now you can see a sound is coming. A, t. So you just have to place this T above line over here. This is not going to touch this line. It is above line. So I'm just making it again here. T is above line, and before T, A is coming. A sound is coming. So you just have to place a light dot on the first position. So which is the first place? This is the first place. This is first place. This is second, and the third. This is third. So we are talking about the first place. So place the light dot over here before this, because this is before T. Okay. Similarly, one more word like bat. Ba, a, and t. So you have to place a B over here above line. And T would be following from here only. It can come across the line, there is no problem. Only the first letter that is with the vowel that is made above line to show that this is the first place vowel. So after B, A is there, so just place a light dot on over here. This is bat. Okay. Now I am giving few more examples, you can try out. Similarly, make these words. Add, path, attack, back, shadow, catch, tank, and bank. Try out these words. So let us see. First word is add. Before D, A is coming, A, D. So you just have to make a single D because there is a single sound. D. Before D, A is there. So just make the dot for A on the first place over here. Add. This is add. It's very simple. You're just hearing the sound of A and D. You just have to make a single D. You don't have to make double Ds, okay, as mentioned in the spelling, okay? Because this is totally sound based. Whatever you are hearing, you just have to make that. Okay. Next is path. Pa, a, th. A sound is coming. Pa, a, th. So similarly, you have to place a light dot again. So pa and th sound is there. After P, A is coming. So place the dot over here. Path after P. Path. Next word is attack. There are two sounds that are coming in attack. A and A. So both are represented by a light dot. So just make it like this. A, ta, a, and k. Attack. Next word is back. Back. A sound is coming. So ba, a light dot, and k. Back. This is above line because B is made till here only. That's why it's joined from here. Okay. In case it was a downward stroke or a curved stroke, you would have made it below the line. Okay. Next word is shadow. This word is made by two combinations of vowel. One is first place, sh, and do, d and o, second place. So there are two vowels that are to be put. First is sh, so sh, because the first starting vowel is of first place. That is the reason the whole letter would be, the whole word would be above the line. Okay. In case if the starting vowel was of second place vowel, then in that case it would be on the line. Okay. So sh, and do. After D, a dash for O, shadow. Okay. Next is catch. K, so K, and ch, catch. Next word that is coming is tank. T, n, and k, tank. There is a sound of n, so just make the n also. Don't forget to make that. Tank. And the next is bang. Ba, n, and k. Okay. Try out these words. Map, am, damage, lack, and one more word, annum, and package also. Just make this also. Let us see the first word. First is map, ma, and p. So make m, dot of a, and p, map. Next word is damage. This is made by two vowel sound. First is da, a, first place vowel. May, a, second place vowel. So da, a, may, a. As it is a second place, you have to make it in the middle. May and j. This is giving the sound of j. Don't make a g over there. That is the mistake that most people do. Make j, damage. So j stroke would be here. This is damage. Next word that is coming is annum. A, first place, and num, second place. So a, n, a, short u, for dash, and m, annum. Okay. Next is am. Before m, a is there, so just make a m, and on the first place, place a light dot. Am. Next word is lack. La, a, and k, lack. And the last word, package. Pa, a, k, a. So two sounds are there. Pa, a, k, a, and j. J1 j. Okay. So this is it. Now let us see the next sound. The next sound is of long AW. Long AW. This is represented by a heavy dash. Heavy dash. Okay. So wherever you hear the sound of o, like saw or law or, in that case you have to make a heavy dash on the first place. Okay. You might see the spellings of AW, AU, or even OU. Okay. And still it's giving the sound of O, you just place the heavy dash for it. Like for example, try out this word, law. So in case of law, L is like this, and the first place is where? In the beginning, over here. So law or, place a dash for O. This is law. Okay? Now try out these words. Saw, bought, bought, talk, auto. Try out these words. Now let us see. The first word is saw. So make a S above line. After S, or sound is coming. Place a heavy dash on the first place. This is saw. Okay. Next is ball. Ba or sound is coming in this. So ba, or and l. Ball. Next is bought. Ba or. I told you, you might see OU also, but it's giving the sound of o. So just place a heavy dash. Ba, and t. Next word is talk. Ta or sound is there. So ta, and k. Next is auto. This is having two vowel sound. First is o sound, first place, and second is second place. So make a T first. O sound is before T, so place it on the first place. After T, O is coming, that is on the second place. O and to, auto. Now make these words. Paw, tall, chalk. Now let us see. First is paw. After P, O sound is coming, so make a P and O over here. Next is tall. Ta, O and L. Tall. After that is chalk. O sound is coming. Chaw, O and K. Chalk. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. And in case you have some doubt, you can just text on the Telegram channel or just make a comment below. I'm just mentioning the channel name. It's ISC Steno. It's together. This is the Telegram channel name. You can just add us over here. Now let us see the next sound, that is of short O. Short O. It's represented by a light dash. Okay, you would be seeing the spelling of O and it would be giving the sound of O. Okay, that's the difference between this and the second place vowel. Like the word shop, got. Now see, for the word shop, shaw or sound is coming. So SH is on the first place, that's why this stroke is above the line. Shaw or and rest P can follow. This is shop, okay? Just make a light dash. Similarly, got, G, O and T, got, okay? Now I'm giving you a few more examples, you can try that. Make these. Top, odd, doll, dog, job, off, shock, and shop. Make these words. Okay, let us see. The first word is top. So T, make a light dash over here on the first place because this is after T, and P. This is top. Next is odd. Before D, O sound is coming. So make a D, O and D. Odd. Next word is doll. After D, O sound is coming. And L, so make a D and L. After D, place it over here, a light dash, doll. Next is dog, do, O and G, do, light dash and G, dog. Next word that is coming is job, jaw, O and B. So J, light dash and B, job. Next is off. After F, O is coming, so O and F. After that is shop, shaw, O and K. And the last word is shop, shaw, O and P. Okay. Now try out few more words. Now make these words. Lodge, lock, long, knock, Okay, make these now. So let us see. The first word is lodge, law or and j. So make L and J. After L, a light dash, lodge. Next is long, law or and ng. So L and ng. And for a light dash, long. After that is lock, law and k. And last is knock, k is silent. So just make a n, knock. This is knock. Okay. The last sound that is coming is of long AH. Long AH is represented by a heavy dot. There are very few words that belong to this sound, heavy dot. Okay, like the word pa, it's giving the sound of a, heavy a. Pa a, ma a, ka a m, fa a m, all these words. Okay. First word is pa, so make P, and after P, A sound is coming, AH sound, so just place a heavy dot over here. This is pa. Similarly, you can make the word palm, just try that. Calm, ma, farm. In the word farm, make a downward R, okay? Then sha. Try these words. Now let us see. The first word is palm, pa-am. So pa, heavy dot for AH and m. This is giving the sound of AH, palm. Similarly, calm, ka-am. So ka, a and m, calm. Okay. Next is ma, ma-a. So ma and a, heavy dot, ma. After that is farm, fa-a-r-m. So R sound is coming. Fa, a, r and m, farm. Next is sha, sha-a. So sh and for AH a heavy dot, sha. Okay. So this topic is complete. So I would be discussing the solutions now, which I have given on the Telegram channel. I have given the assignment for the second place vowel, and in case you have not seen that, just download that and attend the questions. And today I am giving the solutions for that. Okay, so let us begin. So we are starting with the solution of the first assignment of second place vowel. After completing the assignment, we would be providing the next assignment of the first place vowel on the Telegram channel. So just download the assignment and solve the questions so that you can get the solution in the next video. Okay, so we are starting with this. The first word that is coming is bed, bed. As I have told you, for E you have to make a light dot on the second place. So bed, be, e and d, bed. Okay. Next is rub. In the word rub, you have to make an upward R. I would giving you the explanation of that in the coming chapters, that is R and H, so that it is clear to you that in which word you have to make an upward R, in which word you have to make a downward R. Okay. So the next word is rub, r, and b, rub. After this, the next word that is coming is bake, bake. So be for a heavy dot and k, bake. Next is beg, beg, beg. So dark B and G and a light dot for E, beg. Next is loaf, L, O and F. For the O you have to make a heavy dash, Lo, O and F, loaf. After that is cub, K, and B. So K and B. After K, U is coming, so place a light dash over here, cub. Next is fair. In the word fair, you have to make a downward R, fe and downward R. And for A, a heavy dot, fair. Next is poke, P, O and K, Po, O and K, poke. After this is wet, W, E and T, wet. I hope this much is clear to you. Next is wed, where A and D, make a W, a light dot for E, and D, wed. After that is bug, B-A-G, so B, light dash and G, bug. After that is cake, K-A and K, two K are coming, so make a K, A dot and K, cake. After that is take, T-A-K, so T and K. After T-A is coming, so place a heavy dot on the second place, take. Next is peg, P-E-G, P, E and G. After that is coal, K-O and L, coal. Next is fame, F, A and M, so F, A and M, fame. Next is vote, make a darker V, Vo, O and T. Next word is rope, R, O and P, rope. Next word is hope, H, O and P, upward H, O and P, hope. After that is mud, M, A, D, M, A and D, mud. Next is coat, K, O and T. Next is roam, R, O and M, downward R and M, roam. After that is fed, Fe, A and D. After that is lung, NGs together, L, A and NG, lung. Next is bunk, B, A, N, K, bunk, N is there, B, N and K, bunk. After that is mode, M, O and D. This is made upward because horizontal and downward stroke, the horizontal rule which I have explained you in the second video, okay. 8, A and T sound is coming, so just a A dot and T, 8, because the sound is of A and T, only that thing. Next is say, S and A, and after that is Dutch, D, A and Ch, T is silent, you don't have to make a T in that. And last is essay, A, S and A, essay. So we have completed with the solutions of the assignment, and we would be providing the next assignment to you in some time on the Telegram channel. So till then just practice all the vowels which I have told you, the first place vowel, all the 4 sounds, and revise the previous second place vowel also, because after that once the third place vowel is complete we would be starting with the book. So if you practice it more it would be much better, okay. And if you like our video, please do subscribe and share our videos so that we can reach out to more and more students. Thank you.